Alright, and we are back right now. So I just called my parents and they said that I'm safe to go. The direction I was going, there was a warning. If you guys could even hear that. To be honest, I'm not really sure. Okay, here we go. I was like, is that a curve right there? Oof. Oof. Alright. Safe to pull out right here. Alright. So it's actually a little scary right now. I just saw a flash of lightning earlier, so let's just hope for the best and see if I can even make it back home now, because it's getting a little scary. I'm gonna turn the volume down because just copyright reasons. But let's see. Alright, I'm going right there. The trees are kind of sitting still right now, so Jesus, it's kind of getting me a little freaked out. But I guess it is still safe as of right now. The traffic lights right here aren't really blowing too hard. But yeah, my parents said that it'd still be safe if I came down that direction. So I have like a million things to say right now. Like, it's not really looking promising right now, but you know, hopefully I'll live. Bad, I'll just stop here at this overpass and then just jump over under it. Why do I jump over it? Just go wee splat. All lights here are green, so that's running in my favor. Alright, so this is the part that's kind of getting me worried, because I have like about 10 miles left to go before I even find a building or anything, so I'm just like surrounded by nothing but woods and stuff like that. So hopefully I can get through this without it like going too crazy. Ooh. I mean, there's houses, but you never know. Like, I'm out in the country, so you never know, like, maybe one's abandoned, I might end up, like, finding or something, but other than that, like, you know, you never know. You're pulling someone's property, and then they could be like, you know, those get off my lawn type of people with a gun, and they will try to shoot you, but, you know, you just have to be lucky with that sort of stuff. And careful. Alright. So far so good. The wind hasn't been picking up at all. So not too much traffic out, which is pretty much expected for what's happening and all that, but didn't see that dip right there. kind of picking up right now. I got kind of a stream going off the side windows. Yikes. It's actually a little scary. Oh, gust of wind. The rain, I don't know if it's the truck in front of me spinning up all that water from the road, or if it's actually the rain, because it's actually really kind of picking up right now. Alright, don't know what happened to your tail lights, dude, but one is out. At least one brake light is out. Alright. Ooh. Flash of lightning. Alright. Some funnel clouds. Can't really see any, so. This intersection you kind of have to wait at. I just had my right here. These two traffic lights right here actually don't change, and until like they don't change till everybody around me has their chances, and even when the right traffic lights here they kind of have different timing. So yeah, I mean, I kind of have to wait my turn, and so everybody to the left. Oh well, okay. Let's see here. Can't really see the lines on the road, but yeah, there you kind of have to wait your turn. I ended up getting lucky right there, but sometimes you have to wait for all cars around for me to go, so it kind of takes a while. Alright, since not much is happening, I'm going to save space on my SD card, and I will continue later, actually. Maybe when I get back into Chattanooga, or if something interesting happens before then I'll turn back on, and yeah, we'll keep going from there. But anyway, I am signing off now.